everyone, this is Namita from nomnommom.com and you're watching me here on Fame Food. आज मैं आपके लिए कोई खाना नहीं बनाने वाली. Today I'm here to have a chat with someone very interesting. Her name is Dhwani Shah and she's a child nutritionist and an author, and she's here today to bust the top 3 food myths that you'd probably be very interested in knowing. Hi Dhwani, welcome to Nom Nom Mom.
Hi Namita, thank you for having me here.
So Dhwani, हम घर पे ज़्यादा करके वेजिटेरियन खाना खाते हैं and mostly people end up saying कि वेजिटेरियन खाने में ज़्यादा प्रोटीन नहीं होता. Now is that really true?
एक बात अच्छी है कि अगर आप वेजिटेरियन खा रहे हो तो वेजिटेरियन प्रोटीन एक 2 या 3 साल के बच्चे को डाइजेस्ट करने बहुत आसान होता है. सो इफ़ यू आर ईटिंग पल्सेस, इफ़ यू आर हैविंग मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स, इफ़ यू आर हैविंग नट्स, योगर्ट, cheese, then your child has enough protein that he needs to grow. You also must remember कि हम अक्सर सोचते हैं ग्रोथ के लिए प्रोटीन बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, but that is not the only thing. You need a balance of other nutrients and not just protein for growth.
That's very, very insightful and very, very comforting to know. So I know next time someone says बच्चे को प्रोटीन नहीं मिल रहा, I'm going to quote you on that. Instant oats especially, I mean I've heard oats are so healthy. Now what is your take on oats, and is it okay if I make it into a habit and replace his regular breakfast with oats?
Well, here's something for all of you to know. The oats that we get these days in the market usually is very heavily processed to make it, easy to cook and good flavor for y'all. In that process, it is stripped of all its nutrients. So the healthy oats is actually just a fiber-rich food. Now, if you want to give fiber, you'd rather eat fruits, you eat vegetables, you eat grains, you have all the fiber you need. So yes, oats is not a taboo, but replacing oats, calling it healthy is not what you need to do.
My son largely eats what we eat, but I'm guilty of not giving him ज़्यादा तीखा खाना because the perception is बच्चों को तीखा खाना नहीं देते. So is it okay to give my child chili?
Chili is a very good anti-infective food, antibacterial food. So if your child is having frequent bouts of cold and cough, you know why. That's because you're not giving chili. Secondly, you don't allow the child's taste buds to develop because it's not having chili. So in the long run, when you're traveling on a holiday or probably going to a restaurant and you want to try some fancy food, your child is going to give you trouble there.
So you're saying introduce a little bit of chili and get him used to the kind of stuff that we eat?
Yes. Ideally, after 1.5 years of age, it is pretty safe to introduce chili to your children.
So there you go. You can go right ahead and add a little chili to your child's life. Thank you so much, Dhwani, for busting our food myths. If you like what you've seen today, then share, comment, like and subscribe to Nom Nom Mom, and I'll be back again with some recipes and some more information for your toddlers and babies.